Have you ever wondered how to make money while you sleep? Welcome to the world of passive income. It's not about avoiding work but building something that continues to pay you long after the work is done. Imagine waking up to see that you've earned money while you were dreaming. Sounds great, right? One of the best ways to make money while you sleep is through affiliate marketing. So what's the deal with affiliate marketing? Well, it involves endorsing other companies' products and bagging a commission for every sale made through your unique link. Now here's a fun fact. Statista predicts that by 2022, the affiliate marketing industry in the US alone is expected to reach a whopping $8.2 billion. That's some serious potential for income. So you can earn money by simply recommending products you love. Pretty cool, huh? Another lucrative passive income stream is through content creation on YouTube. Imagine turning your passion into profit by creating engaging videos on topics you love. But how does the money flow in? Well, you can monetize these videos through advertisements, sponsorships, and even merchandise sales. According to YouTube, thousands of channels are raking in 6 figures a year. That's right, a hobby could transform into a substantial income source. Just think about it, your creativity could be your next paycheck. If you love writing, your words can earn you money. Imagine crafting engaging ebooks, starting a dynamic blog, or even freelance writing. All of these are fantastic ways to generate a passive income. But don't stop there. Consider the potential in investing in stocks or real estate, creating an enlightening online course, or even starting a bustling dropshipping business. The possibilities are truly endless. Remember, your ability to earn passive income is only limited by your creativity and willingness to put in the initial effort. Now, you're probably thinking, this sounds great, but where do I start? Begin with a passion, something you can commit to long term. Dive deeper into each method we discussed, and take that first step towards establishing your passive income stream. So, what are you waiting for? Start your journey to financial freedom today.